My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Skoda Kodiaq. This vehicle has done just over 67,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have lane assist and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio and telephone, media and vehicle, Skoda Connect, navigation, smart link and traffic reports. On the second page we have media command, images and settings, sound and air conditioning. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can access our 5 different driving modes: normal, sport, individual, snow and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.